Opening the crate is only the first step. Watch this vertical machining center move from protected shipment to safe positioning, system assembly, inspection, and its first controlled run. Before any panel is removed, the work area is cleared, tool and access equipment are prepared, and personal protective equipment is checked. The package condition, shipping marks, lifting information, and visible signs of impact are then confirmed and recorded. The outer wrapping is removed first. The wooden crate is opened from the top, followed by the side panels, reducing the risk of contact with the enclosure. Removed boards are stacked in order to keep the area clear. Only after the wooden structure is fully removed is the inner protective bag opened, revealing the machine for the first time. Loose accessories are moved to a clean area and arranged for later verification. The chip conveyor and coolant tank are removed from the base area, creating safe access for lifting and making the next installation steps easier to manage. The machine is lifted from the designated points while personnel remain outside the suspended load area. Once the shipping pallet is removed, the machine is lowered onto its supports. Leveling pads are unpacked and installed with the help of a jack, followed by the sheet metal support feet. At this stage, the goal is stable positioning, not final precision leveling. Before auxiliary components are installed, the arrival condition is inspected. The work table, spindle area, enclosure, electrical cabinet, oil-water separator, and loose accessories are checked for visible shipping damage. Key areas are photographed to create a clear installation and delivery record. The auxiliary systems are restored in functional groups. The air gun holder, air and water lines, oil-water separator tray, and side guards are installed first. The coolant tank, tank channel, coolant pump, flushing pump, and chip conveyor are then assembled and connected. Each hose and plug is matched to its designated connection, and the operation panel is secured in position. The upper assembly begins with the tool magazine motor. It is lifted into position, carefully aligned with its mounting points, secured and connected to the designated wiring. The tool magazine is installed next and checked for correct mechanical alignment. After the main power cable is connected, the Z-axis cable chain support is fitted, the chain routing is confirmed, and the cover plate is fastened to complete this stage. After the machine is securely positioned, the work table transport brackets are removed first. The protective paper is then peeled away, and the rust-preventive oil is carefully wiped from the work table and internal surfaces. Next, the work table internal guards are installed and secured, followed by the upper tool magazine cover. With the mechanical and electrical connections checked, the machine is powered on for its initial test run. From protected shipment to initial operation, every step is documented to support safe installation and reliable machine performance.